We also wanted to talk about what we have that differentiates us from a lot of other customers. We have what's called labels. So these labels are going to drive what our customers see when they log on to our store based upon what segment we put them into. So if we have a customer that's mainly stationary, we're going to show them a lot more paper products, pens, things that they would buy or sell. If we have a customer that does a lot more on the, furniture or maybe some products like fans or technology, we can allot those as well. But this will make sure that when those customers log on, they see product banners, promotions, and even item merchandisers that make sense to those customers. So once they're seeing things that make sense to them, they're more likely to click on them and buy. It doesn't feel like a one-size-fits-all. We can also allot these to products. So we can put product labels out as well. So if there's furniture that requires assembly, we can label these products to that and make sure that those products are always going to be treated as such. Same thing if we have customers in different regions, we can apply different promotions to local sports teams, whatever we want. So a lot of different reasons why you would use labels, but the one thing we want to make sure we're doing is that we're attributing the correct marketing campaigns and products to the specific types of customers. And we'll talk about that right now. If we look at the back end, when we do log in, there's a couple things that you'll see. So one, if we look at DB Enterprises here, it's one of our customers' accounts. DB Enterprises would be your customer. So they're going to log onto your site to buy from you. So you can see we've attributed that they're a fans label on that account. So if we go to log into a user, the first thing that they're going to see when they log in is an advertisement talking about cooling down in Arizona, because we want to drive them to fan sales right off the bat because we know that's what they do. So now we can do that with these labels. Now, if we log out of DB Enterprises and we log into Calvin's Crew, you'll see mine's Hydrate. So we're targeting that customer a little bit differently. So now we go into that user. It's going to spit out a promotional banner as soon as they log on. That's going to be related to hydrating, right? So now we're staying cool. We click on that, and it's taking us over to different water-related items for the office. So when customers log in, they're going to see their own logo because this is now their buying portal. But when we click on that homepage logo there for the customer, it's still the same website that you've built out and you've configured to be as positive as it can be in generating more margins and higher revenue for you guys, but also being a better experience for the customer.